Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain about when expression. In the last video I explained about customized functions in Kotlin, and by extending that example I am adding the when expression. This is already I created a project with the fish demo, and this is the code we are printing. I have taken the example as feed the fish and selecting the random day. So now here the food I am hard coded has pillets. So even though you choose any day, it prints the food has pillets. Now I'm going to create a new function. Based on the day, we are going to feed the different type of food. Let me create new project. New function. Function fish food, and we have to pass the parameter like day type of string, and we have to return the return like which food it is. So by declaring like that, we are saying that we are passing one variable like string type, and we are going to return the data which is in the form of string. Now I'm going to declare one variable food is equals to default value. Next, when is the keyword, when and day. This is the expression we use. When is similar like switch statement in other programming language, but in case of when, if it reaches to the branch, it automatically break that line. I mean, in case of switch, we have to manually write the break statement, but here no need to write any break. Now I'm writing condition like based on Monday. If day is Monday, I'm choosing the food as food is equals to flakes. Okay. And if it is Tuesday, food is equals to some pellets. Wednesday, food is equals to some plankton. And if it is so just time being, just I'm going to print only 3 days. You can write up to the Sunday and Saturday. So if it is day other than these days, I'm going to write else statement. So else food is nothing, and I'm returning the food, or return food. Now we have defined this push food, and we have to call it from here. Earlier we had hard coded this. Now we are going to call this a method. Now we are good. We have two functions. One is the random day and the fish food, and we have to pass the parameter here, because we are passing this parameter, right? So we have to pass the day. So let me summarize this one. So first function is random day, and second is the fish food. In the random day, we are choosing the day, like randomly choosing the day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday. And we are after choosing the day, and we are passing the day to the fish food. And here we are using the when expression. We are choosing the food. If it is Monday, the food is flakes. If it is Tuesday, pellets. Like that, we are choosing based on the day which have chosen. If it is day other than these 3 days, we are printing nothing. Now we are going to run this project. Yeah, now it has run, and it has printed today is Tuesday and the fish eat nothing. So randomly chosen has Tuesday. Now we don't have anything with the Tuesday, so it has came to else part and it has printed nothing. So this is where we can use the when expression in the Kotlin. Thank you.